Yorana, my name is Kanania Swenga, and I am the lead choreographer and instructor of Lokilani's Rhythm of the Islands. Today we are doing our first in-house solo competition, and I'm so excited. It's a time for my students to be able to show a piece of them that they've been working on and be able to give them a creative space so that they can expand their mind and their ability to dance. I'm so grateful for everybody who's here and who's been helping for this event. I want to thank you guys all for coming. I'm so excited to see what the girls have put together for today, and I can't wait.
The village of Brooklyn is all you need. The dancers are practicing, they dance till when it's song. Who needs a new song? There's no one for we need. This tradition is our mission, and no wonder there's so much to do. The trip on the table, that's all you need. We share everything we make, we joke and we weave our lessons. The fishermen come back from the sea. Walk away, Moana, stay on the ground now. Our people will meet a chief, and there you are. There comes a day when you're gonna look around and realize happiness is where you are. Consider the coconut, consider its trees. Each part of the coconut, that's all we need.
We make our nest on the water, sweet and sour. We use our leaves to build fires, to find the heat inside.
Consider the coconuts, the trunks and the leaves. The island gives us what we need. That's right, we stay. We're safe and we're well provided. When we look to the future, there you are. You'll be okay. In time to learn just as I did. You must find happiness right where you are.
To dance with the water, the undertow and the waves. The water is mischievous, I like how it misbehaves. The village may think I'm crazy or say that I drift too far, but what you know, what you like, well there you are. You are your father's daughter, stubbornness and pride. Mind what he says, but remember, you may hear a voice inside, and if the voice starts to whisper, follow the farthest star. Moana, that voice inside is who you are.